Hi guys, welcome back to the Mickey Bench. Come along with us as we make an easy, inexpensive, absolutely delicious and adorable Easter treat. Let's gather up our ingredients. For decorating the tops, use your choice of peeps, also jelly beans, or I use these Cadbury mini eggs, and you'll need some Eastery sprinkles. Because I was taking these to a party, I used these snack cups, but you could also use a 9.5 by 11 inch pan. First thing you're going to want to do is crush your Oreos. I like to put them in a gallon-sized bag and kind of alternate smashing them and rolling them until they come to a consistency about like coffee grounds. We're going to take those and put just a tablespoon or so in the bottom of each of your snack cups, and then save the rest for the topping later. Next up, we're going to mix in 3 cups of cold milk into our 2 packages of white chocolate jello pudding mix. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then mix it with our mixer just until it's well blended. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix our softened bar of cream cheese and our 1/2 cup of softened butter. Mix that well until you can't really see cream cheese or butter, it's all just one color. Adding to the cream cheese and butter, we are going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Again, bringing in your mixer and mixing that until it's well incorporated. Next, we're going to take our pudding mixture and mix into it our cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar mix. And we're just going to fold this in. Don't use your mixer. We want to be really light and gentle. As soon as that's mixed together well, we're going to finally add our 16 ounces of Cool Whip and folding that very gently just until it's all incorporated. Now that it's all folded in, you can fill each of your dessert cups to just below the top. You want to leave enough room to add some more Oreos. And this will make about 24 of these cups, or 1 pan that's 9.5 by 11. Let's top those with your remaining Oreos, and now it's time to decorate these delicious desserts. First up, sprinkles. Then we're going to add the eggs and then our peep. I like to cut a straw into thirds, insert part into the bunny and part into the dessert. This way, when you're displaying them or eating them or transporting them, the little bunny doesn't fall out. How cute are these? And I can't even tell you how delicious they are. I am tagging Death Star Diva, Beloved One, Cinder Alley Loves Disney, and Christie's Corner to make a unique Easter sweet treat. Thank you so much, Cargo619, for tagging me. This was such a fun challenge, and I tag each of you watching this to come up with a creative and fun Easter treat. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you and wish you a very blessed Easter and a very magical springtime.